Good afternoon. In this video lecture, we will see what is the difference between latch and a flip-flop. We already know what is a latch. We have already seen this circuitry in our previous video lecture as a latch. So if we clearly see that as only a specific part of this is a latch. So if we clearly see this, if we change the input value at this position, okay, the output will be changing. And further, if we set or reset or both are equal, then the output will not change and it will latch the previous output. So it behaves like a memory element. Now, we may not be knowing every time when the output will be changing. So for that purpose, we have extended this latch by adding two more NAND gates to this latch so that it becomes a controlled version of the latch. So this is nothing but a SR latch which is using a controlled input signal. So now here, as long as this, let this be enabled. So from this, if enable is high, so this will be 1, and let us say this be 1. So let this point be S1, output B. So this becomes S bar plus enable bar. Similarly, let this output be R1 equal to R bar plus enable bar. So from this, if enable is 0, then S1 becomes S bar and R1 becomes R bar. If enable is 0, then S1 becomes S bar, that is 1, and R1 becomes 1. So from this, if we clearly see the difference between the latch and the flip-flop is this enable signal. So if I give a clock pulse here at this position every time, such that my flip-flop, whatever the designed circuitry here in this case, may be triggering to the output whenever there is a rise in the signal or lag in the signal, or if the level may be high or if the level may be low. So there are two types of triggerings here. One is level triggering, another one is edge triggering. So if level is high, then it is called as level triggering. So if level is maintained at 1, then only the flip-flop will get switched on, or else it will not get switched on. So you are controlling the output based on the given enable signal, based on the clock. So if I replace that enable signal using a clock, then it is called as flip-flop, or else it is called as a latch, simple controlled latch. Okay, clear? This is how a latch and a flip-flop works, and the difference between the latch and the flip-flop. Thank you for your patience.